And CAG has questioned Delhi Power Discoms. According to a CAG report, Delhi's Discoms inflated losses by nearly 8,000 crore rupees. Reports also state that Discoms manipulated consumer figures, bought costly power, suppressed revenue and gave undue favors to group firms.
I've seen the report. If there is a serious allegation in the report, there has to be an inquiry into that. Probably the inflated, losses shown by the Discoms, that will affect, the tariffs and all, deciding the tariffs and all, that will be a criteria also. So probably that needs an inquiry, a deeper inquiry into this matter.
सरकार को 6 महीने हो गए और अगर बिजली कंपनियों में गड़बड़ी है या बिजली कंपनियां आंकड़ों को फोर्ज करके दे रही हैं, तो जिम्मेवारी किसकी है? सरकार जो आज बैठी है, उस सरकार ने बिजली सस्ती क्यों नहीं की? उल्टा जो सब्सिडी जब सरकार नहीं बनी थी, लोगों को 400 यूनिट तक सबको बराबर सब्सिडी मिलती थी और इस सरकार ने वो सब्सिडी अगर 401 यूनिट हो गया तो लोगों को उसका नुकसान हो गया। इसलिए आम कॉमन मैन का बिल लगभग 1000, 2000, 2500 तक बढ़ा है। तो इसकी चिंता, इसकी जिम्मेवारी सरकार की है, सरकार को करनी चाहिए।
Well, Pooja Shali is joining me now on this story. Pooja, Aam Aadmi Party today can claim a massive victory with this development coming in from the CAG because AAP has always been questioning the wrong practices by Delhi Discoms.
That's right. It is in many ways the press conference also of Aam Aadmi Party that is scheduled at 1 p.m. is primarily going to be just that. It is going to be a sort of a bigelow victory because they are going to claim that they had consistently maintained since the beginning that under the Congress rule, when the Discoms were inflating those bills just a few years ago, politically nothing was done, and that Arvind Kejriwal continued to maintain that Discoms are inflating bills and the opposition had attacked them. And this time with the CAG report also claiming and with the facts and figures showing that some of the Discoms did really inflate the figure to over 8,000 crores, and that could now become a very serious political issue. Now, what you're expecting the Congress and the BJP to again, like we just heard, attack the current Aam Aadmi Party, which was then, of course, had just started. That why did the party now in government not even do anything right now? Right. So the BJP has directly once again attacked the Aam Aadmi Party, while the Congress has been a little circumspect in their reaction. Let's get one more from Manish Tiwari.
अगर मेरी जानकारी सही है तो DERC के एक पूर्व अध्यक्ष हुआ करते थे सरदार बजेंद्र सिंह। उन्होंने 2012 में एक टैरिफ ऑर्डर जारी किया था जिसमें बिजली के दाम 25% कम किए गए थे, पर किन्हीं वजहों से वो जो टैरिफ ऑर्डर है वो लागू नहीं हुआ। तो आज जो CAG की रिपोर्ट आई है, वो CAG की रिपोर्ट फिर दोबारा से ये दर्शाती है कि ये जो डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कंपनियां हैं, ये दिल्ली के नागरिकों के साथ विश्वासघात कर रही हैं, और अगर जो CAG रिपोर्ट में कहा गया है सही है तो इस पर एक CBI जांच होनी चाहिए और जो भी जिम्मेदार हैं उनके खिलाफ कड़ी कार्रवाई की जानी चाहिए।